Let's learn how to make clove hair growth butter. This hair growth butter can be used to seal in moisture and also to prevent hair breakage. The first thing we need is shea butter. You can also use cocoa butter, mango butter, or a mixture of the three of them. Next on the line is emulsifying wax. It's a conditioning agent. Next is oil. You can use any oil of your choice, including castor oil. Then you're going to put 1 tablespoon of the oil and 1 tablespoon of the clove. Please make sure to grind your clove. If you use it as a whole, the way it is, you won't get the nutrients out of the clove. So it's much better you blend the clove into powder form, then pour it inside your bowl. Use the double boiler method to mix all this mixture up and melt the shea butter and the emulsifying wax. Next step is to strain out the oil, then cover it up and put it in the refrigerator to solidify a little bit. You may have to keep on checking it in the refrigerator, or you set a timer from 20 to 30 minutes to make sure it doesn't get blocked. Next, you're going to keep on whisking this into a creamy consistency. Some people use spoons to do their mixture, but I'll advise you get a whisking machine just to make the process much easier and for it to come out very well. In order to get the best result when using this clove hair growth butter, the first thing to do is to sprinkle a little water on your hair. Make sure to use a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. I've shared a video of how to make moisturizing leave-in conditioner. You can go through the video again. Then after applying the moisturizing leave-in conditioner, the next step is to use the hair growth butter. You can use this clove hair growth butter on the hair to seal in moisture and also to prevent hair breakage. It also helps to minimize split ends. So you're going to keep on doing this depending on how you want your mixture to be thick. Okay, then make sure to put your vitamin E oil. If you don't have vitamin E oil, go ahead and use vitamin E capsule. Then in order to change the smell, because clove is a food spice, but then we know that it's good for hair growth, so you're going to use different scents. You can use banana scent, strawberry to make it smell good. When you're done whisking the whole mixture together, the next step is to package your clove hair growth butter into your container and you're good to go. Also, if you don't have a leave-in conditioner or you have not made your leave-in conditioner yet, you can use only water and this clove hair growth butter when moisturizing your hair. You can see how the consistency is and how creamy it is. This is what your hair needs if you're on a budget. So please make yours and let me know if you have further questions, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.